welcome to my channel. This is the first time that I've ever recorded a nail set that I've done before, and this is actually the second set that I've ever done like before in my life. Yesterday I did this really cute winter inspired theme with some blues. I did like a nude background. I had a cute little cabin with some trees and some snowflakes. I posted a little shorts video of it if you want to go check that out. Today I wanted to do a Valentine's Day nail set because Valentine's Day is coming up and there's just so many opportunities, like so many things that you can make, so many different designs. Like the colors of Valentine's Day are just so cute. So I had this idea stuck in my head and I really wanted to do it. Right now I'm just applying a base coat. I already filed and buffed everything. I wiped it all off, made sure there was no dust. All of the products that I'm using today are from Temu. It's nothing fancy, not yet anyways. I did get all of my starting off nail tech, press-on supplies from Temu. I mean, you can't beat the price. But the quality is actually giving, like, just gotta wipe that off. I noticed sometimes stuff would get like under the nail no matter how hard I tried not to get it under there. It still did. So now I'm applying this really cute baby pink color as the base for all the nails. Honestly, the most satisfying thing about doing nails for me is the way that the gel polish like self levels. Is so satisfying. I did go over this one like a few times because like I know that it wasn't a full coverage nail polish, but I was just seeing a little bit too many lines and I didn't really like that. I felt like it wasn't gonna level good, so I went over it a few more times than I probably should have. I think maybe applying a bit less gel. I need to find the middle ground, I think, because I know that you can't apply too much gel, but I feel like applying not enough isn't any better. But I definitely think I applied a little bit too much on that first one. The other two went pretty good. So I'm grabbing some white. I'm going to do the pinky and the middle finger with white. Gotta get those spots. Can't miss no spots. Alright, so now I'm going in to do the ombre. I could not do an ombre yesterday. Like, I really thought that it was gonna be way easier than it was. And I don't know how I did it today, but I just figured it out. Like, I feel like it came out so nice. Yesterday I tried to do like the brush method with like putting a little bit of alcohol on the brush and kind of trying to like blend it down. It was just not working out. It was giving this weird like wave effect thing. I mean, it would have been cool in like a design where that like would fit in with the nails, but like I was trying to do a nice smooth soft ombre and it just was not giving that for me yesterday. I did come across this method on TikTok like last night because I mean I have only been doing nails for about like 2 days, and I don't know, it just worked today. Like it really just worked, and I feel like the key is to just give it time. Like cure, put a little bit more on, cure it again, put a little bit more on, and just keep building it up to get it like where you want it. So like what I would do is just kind of put a bit at the top and then just like press but like drag down a little bit at the same time so that it was like spreading it down but also kind of just building up at the top part. I found that really works. So I'm just gonna go in and top coat the ombre nails. So I love this part. I can glitter nails all day. I applied a base coat and then I grabbed some nice chunky glitter and I just started dumping that all over the nail. We're in a cute little pattern with all of these beautiful Valentine's Day colors. This white one has like a it's just so pretty. Like I would do a whole nail set with just this chunky glitter. Like, you know, if I could find a way to like encapsulate it on like a clear nail or do like an ombre into some clear like ends, and then oh my god, I have so many ideas with this like chunky glitter. It has like this pink like pearlescent. So pretty. I'm just patting down all of the red at the top. I don't know why when I was pouring it, it was like coming out like sticking straight up in the air. There must have been like some static or something. So I'm just trying my best to like pat it down so that it's not standing all up. I did file it after anyways, but I wanted it to be as flat to the nail as possible because I didn't want it to mess up with the top coat. Putting a top coat on this nail. Now I'm going in with the metallic like magnetic cat eye gel. So this was giving me a hard time. I have never used this before. Like I have never used any nail polish, but I just could not get it to work like how it works in the videos. Like I was trying so hard. As you can see, I started to get it like a little bit here and I was like, okay, I see it. Like I see the effect. I actually had to take like a quick TikTok break and like look up some like techniques or something. And like I was getting it here. I found that if I held the magnet like super close to the nail that it was like really getting it. It was like creating the effect. It was like going under the nail, up over it, all over the thing. Around here is when I found out that if you drag it right across the middle, it's gonna make this super cute like diagonal line thing. And I was feeling it. Like I could see the effect. It wasn't exactly what I wanted, but it was doing something. So we that was a win. It worked. Now I know a few other techniques that I can't wait to try. Like I really want to do some of like the cool halo ones. Like there's the actual cat eye that I do want to do because I love the way that one looks. I can't really think of any others off the top of my head, but It's just endless. You can do so much with those. I kind of knew what I was doing with this one right away. Really had to check that shine. Now I'm going in and hand painting some little hearts. This was probably my favorite part of doing this nail set. I just love the way that this nail turned out. I love the red. I don't know if you can see it good in the video, but it actually is like a sparkly red. Now I'm going to start gluing down some of the rhinestones, some of the little diamonds. I chose this really cute heart. It has the word love on it, and I felt like that was so fitting for Valentine's Day. I wasn't sure if I wanted to have it placed right in the middle or more towards the bottom. I'm still struggling a little bit with the rhinestone placement. Like, I do have ideas, but then when I start to kind of put it together on the nail, I kind of start panicking because, like, I've already put the glue down, like, and sometimes I'll put the rhinestone down and then I'll get like a whole completely different idea than what I had originally like drawn out or like what I thought. So then I start moving them around. Like, I have taken them all off and wiped them off so much from just today's set and yesterday's set. I think I've made like about 3 different sets just trying to make one set, because then I change my mind or like I get a better idea for what I want to do. But that's the fun thing about press-ons, is you can just wipe and move on to the next step. Once it's cured, you're good to go, and you can let your mistakes be. Right here, I'm just going in and filling in all the gaps because I definitely don't want any of my hair or anybody's hair tugging on these things. That is one of the reasons why I wanted to start making press-ons, but also my own press-ons, because I love bling. Like, I love rhinestones, I love glam nails, I love all of that. But I have long curly hair, super curly hair, and I was going insane with all of the press-ons that I was buying before, and they had the cutest charms, but my hair, like, I didn't want to touch my hair. Like, I was putting my hair up just so that I could like keep my nails on, kind of thing, and I didn't want to do that anymore. Like, I wanted to wear these beautiful nails and I didn't want my hair to be up in it. So I decided that I was going to learn how to do it, and I was going to make sure that that did not happen. So what I do is I take some really thick rhinestone glue, or you can use the builder gel, and you just go run it along all the edges and just make sure that like nothing is getting in there. I find on some of the bigger charms, even if they are curved on the bottom, that you're still gonna get a bit of lift. So it's always good to just check.
Got the kick.
went back in and added another one here because I just felt like it was missing something. And I know that I did do the really cute design on that nail with the metallic gel, and then I went and just covered it up with rhinestones. But you know what? We're learning. We're learning. That's all I have to say. I still like the effect that it gives. You can see the metallic like shine to it when you move it around. And I also like that it gave it like this really like subtle glitter. Maybe not like subtle. Maybe subtle isn't the best word, but like it gave it like a nice glitter, and you can still see the pink in the background, but it just changed it and made it like fabulous. Here I'm just adding on a cute little heart charm, and I put 3 small diamonds. I put a pearl, and then 2 of these cute little, like 1 diamond and a cute little rhinestone on top. Now I'm going in and I'm just top coating everything, making sure not to go on the diamonds or the rhinestones, but around them. And I did do like one good check over and make sure that everything was all the edges were filled in, that there was no gaps in the diamonds or the rhinestones. I'm going around the pearls. This is like super hard. I do all these like little zigzags and stuff. So shiny. And here's the final product. Some beautiful Valentine's Day nails. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I literally can't believe that they just look like this. I can't wait. I have the itch to make millions and thousands and hundreds and just all of the press-ons. I just want to make all of them. My mind is just blowing up with ideas, and I can't wait to create more. If you like this nail set, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this, and I'll be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.